and welcome back to my crochet section of my Nerdy Girl Blue channel, YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making some 0 to 3 month baby mittens. So we're going to be using a 3.5mm crochet hook. We're going to need some 6mm ribbon, or any colour, depends what colour obviously you're using for your mittens. We are going to need a darning needle or a wool needle and our snippies or scissors. You're also going to need some double knit wool, any colour you like. I've chosen mint with some white flecks in it. I just thought it's really nice. So let's jump into it. So if you guys don't know how to do the beginning stitches, like so the double crochet, half double crochet and a magic ring, go check out, I will put a link above right now, go and check out my other video and give them a practice. So we are going to be making a magic ring and we're going to slip stitch just like that. We are then gonna chain 1 and this counts as our first double crochet. So inside this loop we are going to do 9 double crochets. That's 2, 3, 4, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7, my lord, 8, 9, stop slipping wool, and 10. There we go. So there we have it. We are then going to pull our magic ring nice and tight. Okay, so now we've done that, we are going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 2 like so, and then just pull it through. We are then going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Now remember, this counts as the first stitch, so that's already 1, and then in that same stitch that's 2, and then the next one we're going to do 2 double crochets, and the next one 2 double crochets, like so. So that's 2, 4 and 6 we've done there. So when you get to here I'll be back, so pause the video and I'll see you guys in a moment. So as promised, I am back, and as you can see we have 20 stitches going around. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. We are then going to slip stitch into the top of that chain 2. If I can get my hook in, like this. We are then going to chain 2, 1 and 2. So for this round we are going to be doing 2 double crochets in the first stitch, so that's 1 and 2. Remember, the chain counts as a stitch, so that's 1, 2. Then the next one we're going to be doing a single double crochet, so 2, 1. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, and then the next one we're going to do 1 double crochet. You guys keeping up with me all right? And then we're going to do 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet. So you guys probably see the pattern here. So it's 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet. So pause the video here. I'm going to go all the way around to the end. You should be left at the end. You should leave on 1 double crochet. Okay? And I'll see you guys in a moment. Okay, so this is what we have. We are then going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 2. Chain 2. It's 1, 2. We're going to single crochet in the same hook, in the same hole. No, we're not. Ignore everything I've just said. Chain 2. So then we're going to come across and double crochet in the next stitch, and in every stitch around we're just going to do 1 single double crochet. Now we're going to carry this on for 4 rows. So this is the first row of the singles. So we're going to do this for another 3 rows after this one. So as usual, you would, when you finish a round, come into the top of the stitch, chain 2 and go around with single double crochets. So we're going to do that until we have 4 rows. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I will see you guys in a moment. Okay, so once you get to this point, as you can see, this little mitten is starting to take shape quite nicely. So we should have done 8 rows. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. And this is a 0 to 3 month. For a newborn, you could go down to a 3mm hook and crochet that way, but they tend to grow out of like newborn stuff really early, so I like to make the 0 to 3 month stuff. Okay, so here's where it gets a little bit different. So we slip stitched and we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then in the next stitch we're going to do a half double crochet. So that's 3 on the loop and pull them all off. We are then going to chain 1, skip the next stitch and half double crochet in the next. So we're going to skip this one and go into this one, and we're going to do a half double crochet like so. So you see it's making little gaps. We're going to half double crochet in the next one, chain 1, skip a stitch, so we're skipping this one, and half double crochet into the next one, half double crochet again into the next one, chain 1, skip 1 and do 2 half double crochets, 1 and where are we? Sorry, I can't see from my tripod. There we go. So basically you are doing 2 half double crochets, skip 1, 2 half double crochets. So again, I'll show you. You chain 1, skip the next stitch, go into the next one, half double crochet, 1, and then the next one, 2, chain, skip this one, go into the next one, half double crochet, then half double crochet in the next one, like so. Now this way we're going to put a ribbon, so I'll let you do this round and then I'll see you guys back here. when you get to the end, you're going to go into the top of that chain 2, as we do always, and slip stitch into it like this, starting to take shape nicely. So this is basically it. We've got one more round after this. Now we can either finish it the boy way or the girl way. I'm going to do the boy way. If you would like a video on the girl way, let me know, and I will do a separate video of just the girl way. But for now, we're just going to do the boy way. So now we are just going to chain 2, 1, 2, and in the next stitch, just all the way around in every stitch and every chain. So let me explain a little bit better. So the next stitch would be here. So what we're going to do is half double crochet. The next stitch would be a chain, but we're still going to go inside the chain and half double crochet. In the next 2 stitches where there was half double crochets, we're going to do these 2, and the chain where we chained 1, you're going to go into there and half double crochet. So mix it neatly around, okay? No stitches missed. So I'm going to let you get around here, and then I'm going to add the ribbon and show you the final product. And there you have a cute little mitten. So guys, obviously you make 2. Again, let me know. You could do the ribbon a bit neater. Obviously I haven't, I've just rushed it. You could do the ribbon a lot neater, and if you want the girly pattern for the frill at the bottom, let me know. But pretty cute. So don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.